celery juice recipe. A couple people have asked how to make celery juice with a blender. This is what I've been doing every morning. Here we go. Make sure that you have enough celery. It's usually one big bunch or two small celery hearts. We're gonna chop it up into small pieces so that the fibers don't get stuck in the blender blades. And we're gonna add a little bit of water. We're going to blend it up, and then we're going to strain it in our trusty nut milk bag or cheesecloth if you have it. Here we go. Make sure to blend it for quite a while to make sure that it's really smooth and consistent. And let me show you my setup for straining. So here it is. We have a funnel. It's a large canning funnel. And then you can use a mason jar or any kind of jar that you have that this fits on. And then we're gonna tuck our nut milk bag right in there. Fold it open so that everything we pour in is going to go inside here. And then we pour it in and start straining. So we pour it in. And there'll be quite a bit left in there, so you can use a spatula or your fingers, whatever works. And you get it all in there. It's really fine pulp with these kinds of high-speed blenders. And then we grab the top of it and slowly pull it out. And you'll see that it drains, starts to drain out of the bag. Sometimes you get a bit of liquid mixed up in there. Just let it set. It'll slowly drain back into the bottle. Straining it slightly as we do that. And then we start pressing down. So we're straining this now. You wanna keep the colander in, it just helps it to stay less messy. And we're gonna press all the liquid out of the nut milk bag. Just go really slowly because it needs to strain. It's not gonna go necessarily any faster if you push harder. And if you start twisting it, it can help to create pressure, and you just keep going until as much fluid is out of the celery mixture as possible. We're aiming for a full 16 ounces of pure celery juice. Plus the 175 mils from our half a cup of water, or 250 mils from your cup of water, whatever you use. That's going to be 2.5 cups. Depending on how much patience you have. If you have any type of press, you could also use it to try and strain this out. You could press this between in a jar or something and put some heavy things on it if you wanted to, kind of like you press tofu, and it would squeeze it out, squeeze the liquid out of the nut milk bag. This is going to be all the good stuff that's left in there too, so we want to get as much out as possible. And after we're all done, we will end up with somewhat dry pulp at the end of it, and our beautiful cup of juice. And there we go. Drink full glass 20 minutes before eating anything else. Cheers.